Hi there, my name's Will Cox and I'm coming to you from Nightcap in Edinburgh, Scotland. This class is going to be all about the etymology of mixed drinks. Where did they come from? What styles are there? And how do they apply to the modern bartender? Over the 14 years I've been bartending, classic cocktails, mixed drinks and their styles have been a great influence on the way I've constructed menus and the way I've learned. And I think it's very important that we all understand where things came from, their DNA, and how we can apply them now.